Today we'll solve and verify the integral of cosec x. Let's start with the known result, and then verify why it equals the alternative form. Let's verify why these expressions are equivalent. We'll start by expanding cosec x minus cot x. First, recall that cosec x is 1 over sine x, and cot x is cosine x over sine x. Now, let's substitute these into cosec x minus cot x. This gives us 1 over sine x minus cosine x over sine x. We can combine these fractions. This gives us 1 minus cosine x all over sine x. Now comes the key step. We'll use the half-angle identities. Remember that 1 minus cosine x equals 2 times sine squared of x over 2, and sine x equals 2 times sine of x over 2 times cosine of x over 2. Let's substitute these identities into our expression. We get 2 sine squared of x over 2 divided by 2 sine of x over 2 times cosine of x over 2. The 2's cancel out, and we can cancel 1 sine of x over 2 from numerator and denominator. What remains is sine of x over 2 divided by cosine of x over 2, which is the definition of tangent of x over 2. Therefore, cosec x minus cot x equals tangent of x over 2. Taking the natural log of both sides and adding the constant of integration proves that both forms of the integral are equivalent. And that's how we verify that these two expressions for the integral of cosec x are equivalent. Thank you for watching.